Okay, so we're gonna make the rub for the marinade rub for the chicken. So we're gonna start off with minced garlic, vegetable oil, soy sauce, a whole bundle of green onions, white and green bits, paprika, thyme, salt, black pepper. Now the recipe calls for 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. My family can't handle spice, but it says you can do up to a teaspoon of a hot sauce. So we're gonna go with more of a mild cayenne hot sauce. We're gonna get the lid on this guy. And then get this ready to go on the chicken. So we're going to take about half of our mix and we're going to put that into the cavity and also the neck cavity just to marinate it and kind of get that all over inside there. Now you can season on top of the skin if you want, but I'm more of a fan of trying to go under the skin as much as possible. So we're going to try to push as much of this marinade and rub underneath over top of the breast meat. And then we're going to try to get this guy ready to marinate overnight. All right, so we've got that marinade rub all underneath the skin. Now we're going to put this guy in a bag overnight and let him marinate for 24 hours. And then off in the fridge he goes. To make the barbecue sauce, we're going to start off with ketchup, white vinegar, soy sauce, and we got some diced up green onions, brown sugar, garlic, and ginger. Now we're going to bring this up to a boil, and then once she boils, we're going to simmer it for about 15 minutes, and then we'll add the last ingredient. And now for the best part, we're in the last couple minutes, some dark rum. We're going to let this kind of settle for 2 minutes and keep simmering, and then we're going to put our chicken on the smoke. All right. So we're into the next day. We got our marinated chicken here, and we're going to put him on for about 45 minutes till we hit him with that new barbecue sauce that we just made. And then I'm going to take this guy here and just measure at the thickest part of the thigh until we get it aiming for about 170 internal. All right. And now we're going to completely cover it with this homemade barbecue sauce. All right, and we're going to keep doing this now until we hit that desired temperature for readiness. All right, we are at temp. And it is looking fantastic. That looks perfect. All right, so, the chicken is insanely moist. not dry like at all. And you have that wonderful kind of savory from the marinade we put it in, and then the sweet on the sauce on the outside. This is an awesome way to do whole chicken for sure. So if you want to save some money, grab yourself a whole chicken and throw it on the smoke, or put it on your barbecue grill with a smoke packet, wood chips, and some tin foil. Yeah. Barbecue Bible. The link to buy this book will be in the playlist description. Absolutely recommend it. This is fantastic.